To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, I'm Harsha Sharma. Welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. Before a considerable number of people get vaccinated, COVID-19 infection fear looms. For many, COVID-19 infection is not troublesome, but for some, this infection can lead them to ICU and deathbed. A new study now raises hope that we will be able to reduce the deaths associated with this infection. UK scientists have found that two arthritis drugs, tocilizumab and sarilumab, can reduce the death rate in severely ill COVID-19 patients. Both these drugs are used to treat arthritis and work in a similar manner. They work by blocking the signaling of cytokine interleukin 6, which regulates the immune system and inflammation in severe COVID-19 patients. In the clinical study conducted by scientists, 353 severely ill COVID-19 patients were given tocilizumab, 48 were given sarilumab, and 402 patients were not given any of these drugs. Scientists found that 28% and 22.2% of the patients recovered after a given dose of tocilizumab and sarilumab respectively. This study has not been peer-reviewed yet, but based on the results of the study, the UK government has issued a statement encouraging the use of these two drugs in patients who are severely ill due to COVID-19 infection. A new study related to coronavirus has brought a sigh of relief. This study from New York-based Rockefeller University has shown the people who have recovered from COVID-19 will remain immune to COVID-19 infection for 6 months or more. This study, published in the journal Nature, says that after being infected, the immune system is activated in the body, which remains effective for a long time. Immune cells make antibodies that keep developing. According to the scientist, the body's immune system recognizes the virus and starts making antibodies even after the infection is over. Also, the body continues to improve the quality of antibodies. When someone who has recovered from the infection comes into contact with the virus the next time, the immune system functions rapidly and prevents it from becoming infected again. The study also revealed that the body's immune system does not produce antibodies all the time. Instead, it produces memory B cells that recognize the microbe, and when it again comes in contact, they immediately release the antibodies. A total of 87 people were included in this study, and antibodies made in their body were estimated about 1 month after the infection and then about 6 months later to get to the conclusion. It was also found that the patients who have recovered from COVID-19 infection have the ability to fight new strains of coronavirus. India is one of the world's largest vaccine manufacturers. Due to this, all countries have their eyes set on India to meet their vaccine needs. In this regard, India has started a vaccine Maitri program where it is helping various nations with vaccine doses. Under this initiative, several South Asian countries have received India's Covishield vaccine packages. Government is also undertaking contractual supplies of coronavirus vaccines to Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Brazil, Morocco, Bangladesh and Myanmar. So far, many South Asian countries have been aided with grant assistance from Covishield, while in the coming weeks, these supplies will go transcontinental. While making the supply, India is ensuring that it has adequate supply to meet its domestic needs. Earlier, India had supplied drugs required to manage COVID-19 infection such as hydroxychloroquine, remdesivir and paracetamol tablets, as well as diagnostic kits, ventilators, masks, gloves and other medical supplies to a large number of countries during this pandemic. Apart from this, India has also provided training to enhance and strengthen their clinical capabilities under the Partnerships for Accelerating Clinical Trials program. By helping other countries in this time of crisis, India is setting a good example of international cooperation. That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. We will be back with another edition of COVID 19 Bulletin soon. Take care.